Average student, don't worry. Let me sit with you and let us try to make a plan which can make an average student a topper. Friends, you have to target, even if you are an average student, both NEET PG as well as INI-CET exam. So let us see how we can crack it. For an average student, most important is to follow a structured schedule. So what I will recommend? Trust the faculty of Cerebellum, trust platform Cerebellum. It is for the students by the teachers and follow the structured schedule of Cerebellum. So whether you are going through main videos or you are going through the live mission videos, what I will suggest, number one, try to make your own handwritten notes. It will lead to better understanding of concepts, a long lasting solid memory and a better recall in the examinations. If that is not possible, you always have the option of availability of pre-printed notes. You can go for full notes or you can even go for mission workbooks where a proportion of the total content is written and rest you have to write. So notes are quite important for you. Number two, you have to attend all the revision sessions of Cerebellum which have been kept in a very structured manner in the app. So attend those live examination and discussions, attend all the live marathon sessions. Number three, you have to start practicing questions from QBank on a daily basis or through a custom module. Initially, you should start being an average student 20 to 30 MCQs a day, but slowly, gradually scale it up to 50 questions a day, 75, 100 questions a day. Around 2 months before the exam, you should have touched 200 to 250 questions a day practice. Number 4, you have to attend all the late night PYQ sessions, midday module sessions. There is no shortcut to that. Number 5, do not miss even a single grand test. See, initially, even if your score is coming low in grand test, doesn't matter. The best tip I can give you, when you attempt a grand test, analyze it on the same day. Any question gone wrong, why it has gone wrong, convert it to a single liner, add it in your notes. Any new information you get from grand test, add it in the notes. All the mock test also, you will have to give. Now some general tips. Whenever you are going through a revision session like END, marathon session or any theoretical revision class, whether you are going through the quick revision videos in the app or you are going through a grand test or a mock test, whenever any extra information you get, write it as a one-liner in the app notes itself that you have created. Also, you can do one more thing. You can keep on pasting stick-ons by writing the important content on that. If required, you can add pages also to your notes. This will become your go-to book, the Bible, for multiple revisions before the exam.